Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing really well. So guys, in today's video it's going to be a little bit of a different one. A brand reached out to me called Cherryz, and if you've never heard of Cherryz before, they are an online app that you can buy basically all your essentials from. So all your cleaning products, they do food, they do a mixture of everything on a really reasonable price. It's like a Poundland online, and if I'd have known about this in lockdown, it would have been an absolute godsend. Cherryz is an absolutely amazing app. I will leave all the details for Cherryz down below. In today's video, guys, I have got two guests, which is O'Hara and Orlando, and they're basically going to come and open this box with me. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So guys, O'Hara and Orlando.
Hi.
So this is the Cherryz box. This is what it comes in, and like I say, I spent £30 on the app store. It's really good. You can download it on your phone, and the app's free to download. So yeah, let's jump right in. I can't remember. I know I only placed the order like yesterday. I really cannot remember what I put in this box.
So it's like a mystery box.
Like a mystery box. So I'm just opening up the box, guys. I hope you're all doing well, whatever you're doing. You are absolutely fabulous. And also just a little thing. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because quite a lot of you watch my videos and not actually subscribe. So you can do it, you don't have to do it, but I would really appreciate it if you did do it. Right.
So putting our eyes closed.
So when you first open the box, guys, this is exactly what we're seeing. So I bought a lot of brown paper by the looks of it. Holy macaroni.
Oh my god.
Look at this box, guys. It is filled to the rim. I really wish I knew about this box before like lockdown and everything, because
It would really
this
help.
would be amazing. So if you guys are like isolating or anything like that, this box would be amazing, seriously. So who wants to go first?
I'll go for
Okay.
this one.
Oh.
Gonna go to the bottom one.
So if you guys remember in my Poundland home bargains, my last video basically, I was moaning that I couldn't find the 20 packs of sponges. I found them on Cherryz. So if you need some sponges to wash up with, we've got some sponges. So I'm gonna go next.
Ooh.
So we have these, which are jam mellows. I've never seen these before. So
Look kind of American based. Really.
should we give them a taste?
Maybe.
Yeah.
I know.
They have like
So
this
this
cracker
one.
thing, so it's like 4 layers. Like the first one is almost like a biscuit layer, and then
Yeah.
there's a, I'm guessing, strawberry marshmallow, then another biscuit, and then a pink marshmallow, and then there's just a little line of jam.
In
Just
the middle.
Mm. Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's been out on the side, not gonna lie. Like it feels a bit damp.
There's
Yeah, very
coconut
clean.
and strawberry.
That's it.
Strawberry.
It tastes like a bounty actually. A little bit, yeah.
It's weird. I don't think I'll eat any more. Ah, I knew you'd pick that one.
This is the Wonder Bomb, and it's a lip, cheeks, lip and skin tint. Now a lot of things are like red, pink tinted, but peach tint is always a good, because like peach is like a neutral tone and it goes very well with like all skin types. So this should be very good.
Future YouTuber in the making. All products that are in this box as well, guys, I will link them obviously down below. So yeah, you can give it a try if you want to. So this is what the tube looks like.
Very aesthetically pleasing. It's a little bit hard to squeeze out. There we go. I wouldn't say that this is peach coloured. From the looks of it, it looks more like pink.
Pink,
Like
yeah.
strawberry kind of raspberry.
Yeah, like a strawberry.
Yeah.
As you can see, there's not much colour difference to it, so I think this would work.
There's not much of a smell to it either. There's no smell.
Yeah, there's no colour difference there, so this would usually just work as a lip balm.
I believe it's your turn again, Orlando, to
Alright.
get some out of the
I'm gonna
box.
take a mystery look. Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, a board game. The Jibber Jabber.
So this is the Jibber Jabber board game. With this, you get the popcorn holder. You get the popcorn, and Orlando will be happy because it's sweet and salted.
Ooh.
And you also get a bag of minstrels with this, and this is called the date night, galaxy night, I don't know what night it is, but it's a game night, and basically you get 10 of the popcorn holders, bag of popcorn, the game, and I think that cost about £8. I think that is an absolute amazing night, and I think we might play that tonight.
Yeah.
And if you guys would like to see us do Jibber Jabber,
Comment down
for
below.
you guys, comment down below, because that would be an absolutely fun game. I got this, which is the Lenore Crease eraser. Now, I've heard so many things about this one, guys. Quite a lot of people have put it up on their stories and stuff like that, and with Orlando going back to school in a few weeks, and if I feel lazy and I don't feel like ironing his uniform, it's a crease release, and you basically just spray it on and it takes all the creases out of your clothes, which is amazing.
These.
Oh.
Rattlerz.
Oh no.
Sour sweets
Oh,
are my
God.
absolute favourite. So these are sour chewy candies. They feel very like hard, so probably hard candy. They have a really fun bright packaging on them. Yeah, I just hope that there's good things from these. I'm expecting big things.
Oh.
Hopefully not
Do
too
you guys want to
sour.
try it?
Oh, I think we all should try it.
There's
Yeah.
there's no water in here.
I think
If
my
you
gums
see
are
my
going dry a
eyes
little
are
bit.
watering, guys, it's not because I'm about to eat a sour cherry. We all know about my hay fever problems. We know.
Let's try one each, and we'll do
I've
like
still got like coconut in my mouth.
So
yeah,
They look a little bit like Skittles.
yeah, like
they
little.
kind of look like nerds actually a little bit. As
I'll
well.
have a green one.
I'll have an orange one
I'll have the
actually.
green one.
Oh, he's already
You've already eaten. Okay. Okay, Mum.
Right, 3, 2, 1.
You have
I
a
got
normal
instantly.
tasting. And
Oh!
then they have a
I'm not even joking. That was weird. Why? Oh my god, she's going in for more.
oh my
my
whole handful.
Oh, wow.
Right, let me have an handful.
That's a ginormous letdown.
That is no. I don't want them anymore.
It's like
No,
jelly
they
tots.
taste really, really
It
sour.
tastes like a sour version of
Okay,
jelly tots.
flavour? 10 out of 10.
Really. Wheels with jam in the middle.
So we've got tea cake wagon wheels, and you get 2 for £1.
So with marshmallows. Not a huge fan of these. Never really have been. They're okay.
The chocolate's
It
not my
does say
favourite,
it is.
but the marshmallow and the jam inside's really nice. And this is the scrub mummy, and basically it scrubs. So you can scrub your frying pan, you can put it in the dishwasher, you can clean your glasses. And I think that's quite funny how you can clean your spoons, put it in its mouth.
That's sadistic.
Oh my god.
You can just shove the spoon in its mouth.
Not another. Is that another sour one?
Chews filled with sour powder. This is another
Oh,
sour
no.
sweet.
I
Okay,
swear,
okay,
this
okay,
is toxic waste level. Oh my god.
Nothing can beat toxic waste. then.
No.
Okay.
That's the
Right.
sourest king, that.
Also,
Okay.
guys, just to say,
Ooh.
if you'd like us to try out any snack boxes or do a mukbang or anything like that, comment down below, because I think that video will be amazing.
These come in these fancy little packages, which is always a good
They
sign.
remind me of Hubba Bubba.
yeah,
That Hubba Bubba.
It
That
is
one of them
from
little
the
ones.
Bazooka brand.
Use a pink one.
Yeah.
Orlando, I'm going to give you the green.
Oh
Oh,
no.
you can't do that
Have
to
the
You
me.
can't do that. I'll have the blue.
Apple.
I'm
I'll
having
have
the
the
blue
green
one.
So I'm going to have a pink one, and the pink one's a watermelon. So I think I'm playing it safe. I hope I'm playing it safe anyway. What did you have?
That's
So Hara's
apple.
had the apple, and Orlando
I've got the raspberry.
And Orlando's got raspberry.
One
Oh,
second.
Awara's boyfriend's now ringing her. Is that one not for you?
Is that too soury, bro?
Oh god, now I'm scared.
I'm scared.
It's not sour.
Right, 3, 2, 1.
Reaction in 3.
It tastes a bit like...
A milkshake.
That's like a burst of powder just went in my mouth.
You same.
It just, to me, while they're overreacting, it
Laura.
it tastes.
The other
They're
ones,
in like little squares.
The purple,
Yeah.
the purple ones.
Yeah, they're all different colours.
Yeah.
I picked up some charcoal facial wipes because these come in handy. Build up of oils and impurities leaves the skin feeling clean and refreshed. So basically you just run this under water and it foams up, and you just give your face a wash with it, and it's got 25 wipes in there. So we got some Wispa biscuits. So these are bubbly milk chocolate biscuit wafers. Do you want to try one?
Sure.
I don't really know actually.
So we're gonna let Ahara just try this one.
Yeah.
Gimme. Yeah. As a chocolate enthusiast, ooh, these are promising. They're very
They do
like,
kind of look like one of them Christmas biscuits.
yeah, like the Christmas biscuits. They look. They look
Oh, like
very small.
Viscounts.
Let's
Like a Viscount.
let's rate the crunch. The crunch of the snap. Not very good.
Probably a one.
The inside looks like the box, surprisingly.
A little bit.
Yeah, it does look like the box, so that's always a good thing. The taste.
Oh, I like that.
The biscuit is the perfect type of biscuit.
Never mind.
What are those flaky bars?
Yeah, the flakes.
Yeah, that like it's the biscuit.
A twirl?
Yeah, twirl.
Yeah, 12.
The biscuit is perfect. Such a nice texture. The chocolate is exactly like 12. Is it just a really good biscuit? How much were these?
£1.
To be fair, those
Sure.
would have been like £2 and like.
A sheet mask.
That's mine.
So
Yes.
You have to be quick in this house. I'm telling you now, you have to be quick because I buy face masks. I buy hair masks. I get text messages when I'm at work. Mum, where's your face mask? Where's your hair mask? I've hidden it, so you can't find it. That was anticlimactic.
Okay.
No, I was just like.
This is a Febreze fabric refresher. This is probably one of the best Febreze like smells. I think it's called the cherry blossom. Yeah, the blossom and breeze. It's one of the best smells. It smells exactly like spring. It's
spring in a bottle.
It's very
literally
like
spring in a bottle. Also, it comes in this
Pink
beautiful
thing.
pink packaging with like you know
it's
the
blue.
cool. It's this nice orange and yellow packaging. As you can see.
Oh my god.
Let's do a spray test. I'm very sure that
my
this
God.
and this pair very nicely.
Oh my.
It's the Craves.
It's
Which
the
is
Craze,
probably-
apparently.
It's £3 and it's COLLAB's Craves. They're like pillows with chocolates in the middles. I don't actually think we can actually taste them. Or do you want to?
No, probably not right now.
Probably
Just
not right
cereal.
now. Just cereal.
So I also picked up this elbow grease. It's a bit like a scrub buddy or something like that.
Scrub mummy.
A scrub buddy or whatever. I don't know. There are things like that. Don't look at me like I'm some
You
weirdo.
just brought like a bunch of sponges.
Right, I bought a sponge, okay? It's a sponge and you basically can clean virtually everything with it. 3 products left, so quick grab.
First things first, we have these Smarties buttons in this paper packaging, which, you know, the bit of anticlimactic fact that it says paper and then half of this stuff is plastic, so...
Paid promotion and all that.
Second of the second,
Let's,
we have got the Swizzles Loads of Lollies, which you get 18 in a pack, and they're quite nice. Which is mine, Mum. That's mine.
Okay, and the last thing I have is some Vaseline Intensive Care. And this is the Essential Healing one. And it's really, really nice. It smells beautiful. And Tony used all the last one, so...
Also can be used as a lip balm, I see.
So guys, this is the end of the video. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. And it was a little bit all over the place, but I absolutely love it. So yeah, so guys, if you'd like to... Oh my god.
Comment down below what was your favourite thing from this giveaway. Not giveaway.
What is that lamp? Oh my god.
Comment down below what was your favourite thing from this opening.
Sort of like
Opening we opened the box.
Comment down below what your favourite item in this box, in this collaboration was.
Personally, mine is this orange and pink.
Mine is this yellow and red brave packaging, which is actually yellow and red. Just, you know,
Oh my god.
boom in the camera.
Right, so if you guys would like to check this box out for yourself, have a look what you'd like. It's got quite a lot of things on the app, like I've said. Also, if you use Tara Beauty 20, you will get 20% off your first box, which is absolutely amazing. And if you don't want to check it out, then that's perfectly fine. That's completely up to you. I don't really want to push anything on anyone. You've got your own mind. If you want to try it out, then try them out. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing some more stuff off here because yeah, this was entertaining. Also, if you'd like to see us play that jibber jabber game and you'd like to be involved, then comment down below, give it a big thumbs up. If we get 30 likes on this video, then the next video we'll do the jibber jabber. I hope you're all having an amazing day. I've now got to clean all this floor because it's an absolute nightmare. Literally, we've just chucked everything on
Don't
the
worry,
floor.
Mum. You can clean it now with this. Breeze to the rescue.
So yeah, give the video a big thumbs up, guys. And like I said, if you're not subscribed and you're watching my videos, please, it's absolutely free. Just hit that subscribe button. It's down here somewhere. And also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploads that we guys are going to be doing. So we're going to be doing a lot more different videos. We're going to do some mukbangs. We're going to do some snack boxes. And maybe O'Hara and Orlando would like to take the challenge of doing my makeup. And I might do some makeup on O'Hara as well. So guys, love you always. Stay safe and have a fabulous day, whatever you're doing. Bye guys.